To get the slip off, go like this.
Okay.
It'd be easier. Get the shield.
Yeah.
It's right over there. So he's replacing that piece he made. And I'm over here messing with these cowl patches. So I got the dies in here now. So I'm gonna cut a blank, form it to shape, and then, you know, smash it out and see if we can get the bend in there. I'll keep the bend when I put the beads in. Tried to set these dies up so it would do the whole thing, this lip included, but as you can see, even with a backstop, I was using this backstop, it decided, you know, to go a little wonky on me. The backstop does not work for this job, so I put a lip on it. We'll see if that does anything. Alright, here's the second one. It didn't come out that good. Well, it's nice, but it's crooked. So it veers off on the end, you can see right there. So I'll put this one on the website as a second, 10 bucks. You can use like half and half. If you don't have a patch that big you need to replace, this will probably be fine for you, but I'm not going to send it out like this as a good piece. So now I tried to put a 1/2 inch flange on here, see if that'll do anything. So I'm gonna send one of these through with a 1/2 inch flange. That should keep it nice and straight, and hopefully the bend won't get sucked in. This is more material. We'll see what happens. What do we got going on here?
So, making this patch for this, because obviously this is pretty bad. So, gotta cut a section out of here so we can bend this in.
Yeah, recreate.
Yeah, recreate this part that you can barely tell is supposed to look like that, but it is.
Yeah, look over here. I'll show you on this side. This part here. So this got all mangled because this ripped out. So we gotta make another one of these little squares, and he's replacing the whole thing to make it look like this again. And I finished these up, threw them on the website. So these are ready to be purchased. The link is probably on the screen right now. It's also in the description. I'm selling them each side individually. I don't want to have anybody locked into a pair because this is kind of like a specialty patch that you really don't need all the time. So you might not need the pair. So they're each on the website and they're contoured this way. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a number 9 sweep, and that fits the cowl and the firewall. I tested it on the side of a firewall. It matches up nicely, so those are ready to go. I'm gonna continue working on these dies here for the other patch that we were making, the inner cowl brace patch. So maybe end up welding these to posts because they were kind of crooked, but not in a bad way. Easy fix way.
This is a strange cut. What are we doing? I hate cutting with like no material on the other side of the thing.
Oh yeah.
It's annoying.
Well,
It's gonna be the entire fucking
why didn't you just cut this and then cut the end off?
because I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
What the hell? Alright, got those cowl patch dies in here. We're gonna try see if we can get it to work pretty good. I put a backstop on the back here. I can show you that later. But yeah, a piece. We oil it up and see if we can't make it happen. just got one problem.
What's the problem?
We need to put a bend on it first.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so it worked out a little bit. Nope, this is wrong. This guy. Just a little too much overhanging. New
Wanted to see how
Subrail.
I was gonna metal finish, so.
Huh?
I wanted to see how everything was metal finish, so I already ground most of my wheels down, but.
Cool. No, looks
Yeah,
good.
it looks good, so.
Just need to get that piece in, tacked in,
What piece?
and then welded.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do all of this at once, because I'm gonna have to do this from inside, probably.
Okay.
At least this back, you know, doesn't need too much pressure to go down.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit less than 90, I guess.
Yeah, a little bit less.
But whatever.
Cool.
The rest of it looks good.
Yep.
No more hole there.
There we go, here's a light. Jacob replaced all that, or patched all this subrail. Looks fantastic, look at that.
Pretty much replaced.
He even got that that detail right there. Now,
I might clean that up with PP.
what?
Right in there.
Clean that up with PP? Oh yeah, there you go.
PP grinder.
So now we're gonna start working on the wheel well some more. Getting this edge here, oops. Getting this edge here smoothed out to a consistent like line, so it's not all jaggedy when we scribe it. Same with this side.
Yes, that's pretty raunchy.
And actually, before we even put the thing on, we gotta replace these corners since they're
Gone.
out in the open and really easy to get to. This one I'm gonna have to make, and that one I might make too because the patch doesn't seem all that great. So we'll see.
Oh, the size up and half is broken.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's very tippy right now for some reason.
Okay.
Oh, probably because this isn't there. This is less weight back than there was like yesterday.
Yeah, this is very sketchy.
Oh yeah, it's not fun.
Maybe we need to clean it up. So much tools and shit now.
Oh, I know. I probably should have that yesterday. We need some lube.
Yeah, because our pits.
There's just nothing good about them.
No,
They break in half, they dull out in 5 seconds. Like, this one has chunks taken out of the end of it. It's just simply a horrible drill bit.
Yes.
Oh, God.
I'm really surprised this patch is actually good. It doesn't look it, does it?
It looks awful.
It looks so off, but it's not. I think you picked the wrong small one. So, hey, there you go. Yeah, whatever you do, don't get these. Drill America.
Drill America? What? That's such a generic, good sounding name.
Yeah, they've been crap since the day I got them, which is only like a month ago. It's looking worse again.
Except over there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look at the Subrail because that looks good.
Yeah. Well, it's just looking more empty. It's like a race car. It's
Cutting stuff out.
It's hardly a car right now. Coming. It's coming. This will be one of these. I gotta transfer the mark so I don't fold, so I don't accidentally make another driver's side.
I want to write them on it or something.
Yeah, because right now it's one of these. Another productive day. Jacob did most of the work, which is cool.
Yeah, it's different than usual.
All right. Till tomorrow.